This Coldwell Banker Heritage Homes property video is presented by Main Office. Welcome to your dream home, where modern renovations meet comfortable living. This beautifully updated residence boasts a stunning kitchen adorned with stainless steel appliances, stylish painted cabinets, and elegant granite countertops perfect for culinary enthusiasts and entertaining guests. Step inside to appreciate the tasteful blend of luxury and functionality. The expansive LPV flooring flows seamlessly throughout the main living areas, providing durability and easy maintenance, while plush carpet in the bedrooms adds warmth and coziness. One of the highlights of this home is the inviting sunroom, situated off the family room. It offers a serene view of the backyard and features ceramic tile flooring along with a convenient mini-split system for year-round heating and cooling, making it an ideal space for relaxation or morning coffee. The bathrooms have been thoughtfully updated with modern fixtures and granite tops, ensuring a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Every corner of this property reflects quality and attention to detail, making it a perfect sanctuary for you and your family. Don't miss out on this one. Schedule a showing.